everyone, I'm Sonal Dhingra Bhandari. Welcome back to my channel, The In Vogue Mom, and today we're going to make something really very interesting. So I'm going to make a chicken recipe for you guys. So without wasting further time, let's jump into the video. I don't really have a name for this chicken because it's an experiment. I would really appreciate if you can suggest me a few good names for this recipe. Thank you. So I've taken 1.5 chicken breast and I've divided them into 3 parts, and I've coated them with salt, pepper and oregano. So I've rubbed this mixture on both sides, and now I'm just going to foil it and just keep it aside for another 10-15 minutes. That's all. So while my chicken is being marinated, now I'll quickly put some oil for the sauce, and in this oil I'm using olive oil actually. So in this oil I'm quickly going to add some fresh garlic and let them sizzle for a while. So once my garlic is sauteed, I'm going to add fresh spinach to it and stir fry them along with the garlic for a while. I'm going to add boiled spinach also to the recipe. If you don't want to do it, please add little more spinach over here. While the spinach is getting sauteed, I'll add my broccoli, some yellow bell peppers, some red bell peppers, and give it a stir. Now I'm going to add some black pepper, some oregano and some salt. Now I'm going to stir fry it for a while. Now I'm going to add powdered parmesan to it. If you don't have this one, please use fresh parmesan cheese. I actually don't have fresh parmesan, so I had this one, so I'm using this. So now I'm going to add 3/4 of the 200 ml cream. That will be approximately 170 ml of cream. That's what we're going to add into this. Now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of pureed spinach, and I've also added a cup of water to it. I'll let this cook on slow flame for a while, and on the other side let's grill our chicken. Now in a non-stick pan I've taken some butter, and onto that I'm going to add some olive oil. This way our butter won't get burnt. Now I'm going to spread this on the entire pan, and then I'm going to add some fresh garlic. Now once the garlic is sauteed a little, I'm going to keep the chicken breast over this garlic. We're going to cover and cook them for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and then see if they're ready or not. We're going to cook them on a very slow flame. Now I'm sprinkling the same parmesan powder on the grilled chicken. I'll do it both sides. So this is how the grilled chicken looks. It's grilled from one side, and now I'll let it cook on the other side also. The chicken is grilled from both sides now. This is how it looks. Coming back to the sauce now, I'm going to add 2 pieces of our grilled chicken into this sauce, and some of that burnt garlic also I'm going to put. Let's just mix this now, and then I'm going to cover and cook it for a while. The chicken has been cooking from around 10 minutes now and it looks ready. Let me just stir and see the consistency of the sauce. Yes, it looks perfect. Now I'm going to switch the gas off and the chicken is ready. So let's start plating. This is how the final product looks like. It tastes yummy. I just tasted it. I hope you like this recipe and enjoy making it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit that bell icon. Thank you.